Russ, who is EQengineered? What are EQengineered's core competencies, and what makes EQengineered unique in the marketplace?
Yeah, I think that's a great question, Mark. From my point of view, we are an organization that wants to really understand the challenges and frustrations that you as an organization has and to share in your successes. I think it's really important to us that we take the time to understand your business, understand your team, and understand the needs of your organization so that we can all arrive together to find the best possible solutions to your business challenges. We embed with your organization and your teams. We'll speak plainly about challenges and opportunities that we see available to us, and we'll work together with your teams to figure out the right solutions to your technological challenges. We excel in cloud technologies, modernization of legacy systems to newer technology stacks, simplification of your workflow to arrive at a better outcome for you and your customers as well. Importantly, we really try to help your team see the forest through the trees and to cut through all of the noise that is slowing your teams down and to help your organization achieve success and get to marketplace faster.
Great. Thanks, Russ.
You're welcome.